Tay Kapuso, please welcome ang aking mga kumare. Ang mga Mars natin, please welcome Suzy and Camille.
Tayo doon next time magkasama. Anyway, sabihin mo sa akin kung kailan ka available.
Oo, magkita tayo doon.
Basta mo anytime kasi malapit lang yung bahay ko doon eh.
Oo, pero text mo ko na maaga kasi minsan nade-delay ako eh.
Hindi pa, nga, alam ko naman kasi pasok yung mga bata and
Correct,
stuff. Oo, basta ako game
basta
ako
i-plan
anytime.
lang natin ng maaga.
Sige.
Tapos sige. Brand tayo.
Ay, no, sige. Sa dating lugar, sa dating tagpuan ng branch. Oh my gosh.
Hi, Suzy. Hi, Camille. Ano ba pinag-uusapan niyo?
Eh, yung mga usual pag nakikita kami ni Camille, kailangan yan may konting workout bago kumain.
Yes.
Hindi pwedeng diretso kain
I'm sorry. May workout bago kumain?
Yes. That's your typical date, Tito Boy.
Okay. And what kind of a workout are you talking about here?
We do bar 3. We tried cycling.
I'm sorry, the first one is?
Bar 3. Parang siyang
Bar
combination ng
three.
Pilates, yoga, and ballet. Because I've been doing that workout for mga siguro 13, 14 years. Tapos si Camille din naggaganyan every so often.
No, I want to go to that one. I mean, I'm hearing that for the first time. Totoo to, ha? Ano yan? Is that a dance?
It's a bar. No, it's a bar workout.
You go to the bar and then?
Yes. Tapos nun merong kaming teacher, instructor. Tapos parang ganun yung concept niya. May konting Pilates moves, may ballet moves, may ganyan.
May yoga.
May yoga.
Yeah.
So a lot of
ganyan.
extensions.
Extensions. Small movements.
Yes.
Okay.
Oo, small and
At
repetitive.
ano ang nagagawa niyan sa katawan bago mag-dinner?
Medyo ina-advance na namin yung sunog.
Yes.
Oo.
Ganun lang.
Wala pa yung calories, sinusunog
Oo,
na.
inuunahan na namin yung calories sa katawan namin, Tito Boy.
Kasi pag
Okay.
magkasama kami, pag umupo din, oras-oras din yung binibilang. So,
Pero ang diet, how important is that? Are you the kind of friends who would go to a restaurant, ito lamang ang ating kakainin, ito lang, meron ganun,
oh, that's me!
There, so is that, yan ba?
Yan. And yan
Okay.
yung ginagawa naman namin sa show namin before. Lahat na yata ng workout ginawa namin.
Nasubukan
Ang
namin,
galing.
Tito Boy.
Napakasi, okay, nandun na tayo sa food. Can you eat anything?
Actually, alam mo, Tito Boy, ako ang natutunan ko personally kay Ate Suzy, anything in moderation.
Tama
Kasi
naman.
kapag daw, you deprive yourself from something that you really want to eat, ang tendency nun, kapag nag-crave ka, you will eat
More.
too much of that. So parang everything in moderation, saktuhan lang.
And to be able to do that, it takes a lot of courage and discipline. Diba?
yung may
Everything
courage.
in moderation.
Yes.
Hindi, pero totoo yan. And it takes, sabi nga ng kaibigan ko, it takes a lot of self-talk. Yung parang, you really have to talk to yourself. Ito, okay, ito, pero wag sobra.
Yes.
Yes.
Actually,
Diba?
ginagawa ko siya talaga. Yeah. Lalo na ngayon. Back in the day, parang I didn't used to be so magutumin. Parang mas magutumin ako ngayon. So, as in, sinasabi, hanggang dito lang, maliit na bowl lang
Yes.
ng
Or isang-
snacks o isang dakot lang
Oo.
Pag nagdi-dinner ba kayo, mas marami ang kain o mas marami ang usapan?
Hindi tayo masyadong nagdi-dinner. Mostly lunch kami.
A lunch?
Brunch,
Okay.
brunch
Or brunch.
kami pag
Oh,
nag-brunch.
Okay.
Yeah.
I get that.
So
I also
after
get
her
that.
morning show, we go straight to workout and then we would have brunch. And that would last us until about 1, 2-ish.
Oo, mga ganyan.
Matagal.